Welcome to Bellwether Software. Today I'm going to walk you through how to do a requisition. So if you look here at the top left, you can see the requisitions tab. And I'm going to start out with a brand new requisition. Now, it's always going to default to the department that I'm in, as well as the next rec number in line. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new requisition. You can add a job code, a project, as well as any GL account. These mandatory fields, you can make some of them mandatory, all of them, or none of them. And then down on the bottom, we can start building out our requisition. There's a couple ways to put the items in. I'll go through each and every one of those. So one is an ad hoc item. So let's say we are looking for an iPad. I guess 12 iPads. And we'll go ahead and put in the price. So they are $4.99 each. So that's one way, and you can add that to the catalog if needed. The other way is to search your catalog. So you can search by keyword, by vendor, by description, or commodity code. And we will search for IT equipment. Let's go ahead and grab this computer. Now, if you look up here in this job code, project, or GL, you can do this for the entire rec, or you can separate it by line item. You can even go as far as doing an allocation and separating by percentage. Once this is complete and we have the items in, we can add any instructions we want. We can put any notes in, any attachments we want to add, whether it be a photo, spec sheet, terms and conditions, really any sort of file type. And then lastly, we can review the requisition to make sure it's okay before submission. We'll go ahead and save. Now this message pops up and says you are over the amount that is needed for you to be able to submit this requisition. So that's going to require an approval. So we'll go ahead and submit that. Now this will go to the necessary person that's required to approve the requisition. And they will see the requisition total up at the top here. Now, if they scroll down, they have three options. They can approve by going into the software and making line-by-line decisions. They can auto-approve on their email. So all they have to do is click the link. They can also auto-reject. So we'll go ahead and auto-approve. That's going to send a notification to the requisitioner, letting them know that that has indeed been approved. So that was the first way to do, a couple ways to do a requisition. The next way is called punch out. So typically in an organization who's in a manual process, you would go, let's use Amazon for example, you would go to Amazon and then you would take what you want, copy and paste it and put it back into a rec form, whether it be a Google Sheet or an Excel form, or even something like this. This way has made it easier because you can simply just go to the website. So we'll do exactly what we did before, and we'll choose Amazon. Now, it being Prime Day today, it might be a little busy. So let's go ahead and see what's going on in Amazon. Let's say we're looking for a laptop. Let's grab this LG and we'll add it to the cart and we'll submit it for approval. Now it's not going to let me buy it yet. It's going to take it from Amazon and send it into my software right in the line with material description here. So now I can go ahead and save that and send it on for approval. So this has been Bellwether Purchasing Software Requisitions. Thank you very much.